Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Easysleep white noise machine. So I've just taken everything out of the box. We've got a manual, we do have a power supply and a cord. It is not battery operated, so you do have to make sure you plug it in. We're going to plug it in right here. Now it does come with a pretty long cord. Now the cord is 60 inches long. One side is USB-A, and this is, you don't have to plug this in. It comes with this, you only plug it in one way. You can plug this into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 5 volts, 1 amp for 5 watts. Okay, so find a plug-in, plug this in. I could plug this into my own power supply. Just make sure it outputs 5 volts, 1 amp. Then you're going to take the other end of this and plug it in right here. Now we've got power, now we can start using it. Okay, it is very simple to operate. We got a power switch here, so turn it on. You're going to rotate through the different sounds with these buttons. Now it has 25 sounds. So let's go. And I can turn the volume up or down. Rain. That's a little C wave now. Campfire, piano. Oh, that's piano. Okay, so that's brown noise, pink noise, blue noise, white noise, soft fan, household fan, industrial fan, loud fan, rain on the yard, heavy rain, rain on the window, stream in the cave, brook, river, gentle sea wave, mighty sea wave, little sea wave, singing birds, campfire, train, piano, lullabies, alpha wave with dripping, stars in the night, meditation. Again, we can turn it up pretty loud and down all the way. It's pretty soft. That's all the way down. Now we can change it to where it comes on, stays on all the time. That means it will not ever shut off. 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour. Now it does have a night light we can turn on and off, and it'll go off whenever the timer goes off. Now you can change the brightness of this too. So press and hold it. And it's got 4 levels of brightness. And then when you get the brightness you want, then you can just turn it on and off. By pressing and holding that, you change the brightness. This is the speaker where the sound does come out. Okay, so let's say I unplug it and then it gets plugged back in. It doesn't turn itself back on, but if you turn it on, it remembers where it was at. Okay, so the night light is pretty bright. Just press and hold it. Now I can turn that night light on and off. Okay, let's measure it. So it is just a 4-inch circle, but with that cord, it's about 5 1/4 inches. Thickness is about almost 2.5, 2 1/4. So it is very lightweight. Just remember, there's no battery in it. It has to be plugged in order to work. Very simple to operate. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.